Now we are discussing about money making opportunities, but not only the money making opportunity, it is very good services are there in that also. You can do independently or by friends or by group or by company or whatever it may be. In that today we are discussing about become an influencer. The continuous rise of social media has made influencer marketing a popular choice to make money online. Like affiliate marketing, companies pay influencers to market their products and services. The main difference is influencers aim to impact people's buying decisions instead of simply bringing leads. Like streamers, how much money influencers make significantly depends on their following. The most critical aspects of being a profitable influencer are cultivating a personal brand and becoming an authoritative voice within your niche. This will help attract sponsors and advertisers. Although many influencers are on Instagram, you can take advantage of other platforms like YouTube and Twitter to build a following and create different types of content. Learn which content types work best for each platform. TikTok, for example, is excellent for people who want to create viral videos. And next is a Rhett and Link from Good to Mythical Morning and Andrew Ria from Babish Culinary Universe are some of the popular influencers cultivating their careers on YouTube. So in every area, in every city and in every town, influencers will be there. Their main part of work is promoting your business through social media. Social media means what is that? Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, that is Pinterest. So many websites are there. By that, you should promote their business or service or organization being an influencer. So you are giving an influence about that service unit or service. That is the information. So becoming an influencer is also a very good opportunity to do very good service, and you can get very good leads to the companies also. Wishing you all the best.